So you had so much fun in there. What did you talk about?
We spoke about measurement. It was supposed to just be about measurement strategies, but as with digital, it ended up being quite diverse. So it was quite an interesting conversation, I must admit.
What are your impressions about the event so far?
I'm loving it. It's incredible to see so many brains in one room from all over the globe. We do tend to get quite siloed in our individual regions, so it's really great to be able to share thoughts and hear different perspectives on all the topics, so really enjoying it.
Do we need third-party measurement tools to ensure quality in media buying, or are the self-measuring publishers reliable enough?
We absolutely do need third-party tools. Unfortunately, when you rely on self-measuring publishers, you do remove the aspect of trust, of transparency, as well as accuracy. And until we have done away with the mistrust that we have in our industry, it's imperative that we have third-party.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.